Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. As viewers, in front of me Google Pixel tablet device, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable notifications and sounds from Facebook Messenger application on this device. So first, of course, you can open the Messenger settings, then find here notification and sounds, and just disable it. You can disable it for 15 minutes, for an hour, for 8 hours, for 20, for a day, for 24 hours. But you can disable it all manually. You can manage notifications in the settings, and here you can disable all notifications forever until you will enable it manually in settings again. Okay, so great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.